Welcome back to my channel. Today learn English, book a hotel room.
Hi, I would like to book a room.
Sure, for how many nights?
3 nights, please.
Single or double room?
Double room, please.
Great, that will be $200 per night.
Here is my credit card.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. I'm sure I will.
If you need anything, just dial 44 on your room phone.
Got it. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 10 a.m. We also offer late checkouts for an additional fee.
I will keep that in mind. Do you have a gym here?
Yes, our fitness center is open 24 hours. 7 days. It's on the 2nd floor.
Great to know. Thanks again.